Hey, Soul Exchange, back into it then. So, who am I going to pick? So, I'm going to base this on the 4 factors that I think are the most important. What is your roster? Looking at the elements. Do you want a killer, a defensive hero, or a healer? You've got to figure that out on what is your roster. Resources. Do you have enough resources to fully level that hero? Emblem, everything. Stats. Go after the heroes with the highest stats. Do not pick a hero like this one that has low stats if you want to compete. 4th one is that hero a nightmare to play against? You find that hero in raids, play against it. If that hero is not giving you any problems at all, think, is that hero worth 20 souls? Probably a 5th one to think about. It's not overly important. It's personally important to me, but it might not be important to other people. Hero coach. Do you want to spend the time leveling that hero from nothing to fully leveled? To me, it matters, especially as I've got other heroes I'm trying to level up at the moment. So they're the 5 factors I think you always need to consider. So if we go into my roster, very quick summary. Ice, I feel I'm very strong. I've got a lot of ice heroes and there's variety in them ice heroes. Green, I feel I've got the best healer in the game. Another solid healer, so I'm not going to pick the green healer. Then I've got the holy heroes. I've just pulled Sarissa literally this week, so I'm not going to pick the holy hero in the game. And then dark, I've just pulled 3 heroes this month, which I'm still trying to level. So on to my choice, bearing in mind the roster, what kind of hero you're after, and thinking about them rules along with the statistics. Is the hero a nightmare to play against? In my view, the hero that's most suitable for me is this hero. Plus, Domivensis has also got eligibility for the hero coach, which will be out in March 2026.